And then we have the Nobel Peace Prize. I don't know, Mr. Speaker. Perhaps we just want to be embarrassed. When this resolution,
इसके बारे में प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब की एक खुद वजाहत आ चुकी है।
while if this resolution was defeated, it would have been an international embarrassment that at a time like this, the National Assembly had voted down the resolution. And if it had passed, if this House truly believed that Mr. Khan was worthy of the Nobel Peace Prize, at a time where there is threat of nuclear war, planes are falling from the sky, your soldiers are being martyred on the border, then we would have been nothing less than an international joke. Therefore, I'd like to appreciate, Mr. Speaker, I'd like to appreciate that the government has taken a U-turn on this position as well. Mr. Speaker, we reserve the